How could you possibly improve upon the Dole Whip in Disneyland? We recently heard about a Disneyland hack that might just make this must-have treat even more desirable. My name is Joey, here for DFB, and today we're taking a look at Tajin Dole Whips. Disneylanders in the know are dousing their Dole Whip with Tajin. This add-on isn't on the menu, so let's go through it step by step. Step 1. After you get to Disneyland, do not go get your Dole Whip first. Stop by Tropical Imports, home of better-for-you snacks like whole fruit in Adventureland. Step 2. Grab yourself a packet of Tajin Classico seasoning. Don't worry, you can get these for free. Step 3. Next stop, the Tiki juice bar to grab a Dole Whip or two. Step 4. Sprinkle some Tajin on top, and voila. If you're not familiar with it, Tajin powder is a fruit seasoning made with ground chili peppers, salt, and dehydrated lime juice. It's good for both savory and sweet dishes, but most often specifically noted for enhancing the flavors of fruit. Have you tried this before, or are you going to give it a shot on an upcoming visit to Disneyland? Definitely let us know in the comments. My name is Joey, here for DFB, and we'll see you in the next video.